Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download property photos organization with Google Photos for listings, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Photos. Sign in to your Google account, or create one if you don't already have an account. Once you're logged in, click on the Upload button at the top right of the screen. Select the folder on your computer where your property photos are stored. Choose the images you want to upload by clicking on them. After selecting, click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the photos to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, locate the uploaded photos in your Google Photos library. Select the first photo you want to include in your listing. To create an album, click the plus icon at the top and select Album. Name your album something relevant, like the property address or listing name. Add additional photos to your album by clicking Add Photos and selecting from your library. Click Done once you've added all the desired images. Open the album by clicking on its cover image. To share this album, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Share Album from the drop-down menu. Choose how you want to share it, either through a link or by inviting people directly. If using a link, click Create Link and copy it for future use. You can now share this link with potential buyers or real estate platforms. To keep your photos organized, consider creating separate albums for different properties. Regularly update each album with any new photos or changes in listings. Check back periodically to ensure your photos are up to date and relevant. This method will help you efficiently manage your property photos for listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.